So welcome guys. In this video we are going to see another kind of loop in Kotlin. So let me remove this piece of code from here. We are gonna keep this array. So in this video we are going to see how for loop works in Kotlin. So let's see. We write for, and inside the braces we take a variable which is a counter variable. I'm gonna naming it I, as always. In most of the case, the counter variable's name is going to be I. You can use it and any other name for it, but in most it's the general practice of keeping it I. So I'm going to use I. In we want to iterate through this array, so we will write first array. So now inside the for loop, whenever the for loop iterates, the current value of this array will be stored in I variable. So to print the elements of this array, we just have to print this I variable. So if we run our program, we get the every element of which is in this array: first element, second element, and third element. So basically for loop makes it very more efficient and easy to iterate through an array or any kind of collection like list or array list or anything like that. So for loop basically is more efficient way of iterate through the collection. So we can also instead of printing array elements, we can also use range as well. Suppose I want to print the numbers from 1 to 10, so I want the for loop to be iterate 10 times. So I'm gonna write 1 2 10, and I'm just going to write print ln and I. So if we execute in this range 1 to 10, and it will print every number in this range. So let's see the execution here, which is 1 to 10 we get in the console. So this is how you print the elements in the collection, and this is how you use for loop to iterate through things. So what else we can do? Let's take another array, number array, which will be of type array of integer, and it will be array of 1 2 5 10 9 6 and 4. So I want to iterate through this number array, but I want to print only the element which are greater than 3. So let me take another variable, a variable x, which will be 3, and inside for loop I'm gonna use if condition. If okay, in this for loop I'll have to change condition and number array, and if I is greater than x, or we can directly write 3 here, but if you want to change later, it's very much more convenient if you want to change the condition, right? So if I is greater than x, print I. Print let me just use print ln, because it will separate if we print in the separate line. So let's run our program, and I suppose 1 and 2 will not be printed. Instead, these all the other elements which are greater than 3 will be printed here: 5 10 9 5 and 4. So this is how you can play with for loop as well. So keep practicing for loops, because it is very important topic in Kotlin. you'll be using for loops and while loops every now and then while programming with Kotlin in Android as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.